Want to start a delivery business? First, you'll need a reliable van, a valid driver's license, and the right insurance coverage for your deliveries safely. You should consider various insurance options carefully, as having the right cover is crucial for effectively protecting your business operations on the road daily. With your van ready, register on delivery platforms or with local businesses to find work and start receiving delivery requests. To succeed, manage your time well by planning efficient routes, ensuring timely deliveries, and keeping customers happy through attentive service and quality products always. Providing excellent customer service is key. Be polite, professional, and highly responsive to customer needs at all times. Now you've got the basics. Start your delivery business today and visit our website for more tips and resources to grow your business. Read more on our website.